Melo, there are so many versions of life I could have lived, so many other stories that could have been mine. Yet somehow, out of everything that could ever happen, I found you. And I found you not in the most convenient time, but at a season where I was seeking answers, healing, and hope.
Running west with abandon, muddy shoes hitting concrete, a little left to look back on. Got no time for a plan B, when emotions stay unspoken cause no one's around. And you're hoping for a new day, but it makes you down. When you're holding something golden, it can weigh you down. It can weigh you down. I know what it feels like when you're falling. I know that you can't run when you're crawling. When you're broken and it feels like there's no way around. I know you make it out.
Melo and Bianca, we know that you are both lawyers. And I hope you will not judge me because on the statements na ibabahagi ko sa inyo. Sa ngayon, ako ay invited resource person. At the same time, your witness sa inyong pag-iisang dibdib.
The unspoken and the ones around. And you're hoping for a new day, but it makes you down. When you're holding something golden.
To the love of my life, I can't wait to see you at the altar. I'm so excited to finally call you my hubby.
I give you this wallet. As a sign of my trust that you will soundly exercise the power of the purse for our future home and family.
Thank you so much, baby. See you at the altar. Let's go!
You make it out. I can see you getting closer.
Get married here!
I know what it feels like when you're falling. I know that you can't run when you're crawling. When you're broken and it feels like there's no way around.
We're very happy to celebrate this milestone, and
May your love be Christ-centered.
We hope and pray that your union will be as strong as it is now.
at ka na namin sa GC!
More babies! More babies! More babies!
Daddy, I wrote this message a day before the wedding. While looking at the sunset, I kept wondering, could you also see this beauty? Perhaps, do you also long that you could dance with your little girl on her wedding day? But now it's physically impossible. I pray and hope that as I step into this challenging role, that I get to be just like you. I love you so much, and there aren't enough words to say how your little girl misses her dad.
Thank you for loving me the way you do. I carry that love with me into my marriage. Thank you for the quiet sacrifices, the lessons you didn't need to say out loud. Love, CJ.
Isno, do you recognize me? I'm your mom. You're excited na?
There was a time when I asked God, will someone take me as I am? A sick woman living with an incurable rare disease. Yet you came without hesitation and fear, walking or maybe even running with open arms, as if I was never something to be fixed, but someone to be loved. I think you are more rare than my rare disease.
Despite barely knowing you, I was curious and weirdly had to ask myself that time, ano kayang feeling na maging boyfriend niya? I was unsure of my feelings about you, but I made sure that they would not be buried. I just admired you silently, without any intention to make a move, thinking that doing otherwise would sidetrack me from my academic goals.
So here we are.
Melo, I keep falling in love with you over and over again, in ways that never feel the same but always right. You don't care much about grand gestures. You show love in the simplest yet most meaningful ways, consistently reminding me to take my maintenance meds every meal, every day. I love all that you are, not because you make my life perfect, but because you make me feel life in the most beautiful way. Wherever life takes us, my place will always be beside you.
Ganda-ganda.
Iinan lang to sa lahat ng mga napagdaanan natin sa buhay, and I do not need to ask myself kung anong feeling pag-asawa na kita. Kasi nabinaramdam mo na sa akin at ipinaranas mo na sa akin kung paano maging isang tunay na katuwang sa buhay. Hindi kita iiwan kahit ano pang mangyari. Ikaw lang gusto ko, ikaw lang ang aangkinin ko at pag-aalayan ng buhay ko habang buhay.
I will always and always love you faithfully, entirely, and without end, no matter what. I love you, Melo.